Welcome to Mora FC. It is what it is. Just look at how it is Placket. Beautiful. Very simple to do, easy, well explained. Nothing is hidden, nothing is hiding. It is what it is. I post videos every Sundays. So make sure you click on notification bell. Sometimes on Monday, if I'm having a problem with my laptop, there's a light out. It's Africa, we always have a light issue. So you make sure you subscribe, like and share and comment and click on notification bell so you ain't gonna miss any of my tutorial. It is what it is. Just look how beautiful it is. As you can tell, nothing is hidden, nothing is hiding. At the airport or you measure 2 inches by 9 inches or 10 inches. So we're gonna take another fabric. You cut 3 inches with the same length, and you cut 4 inches or 4.5 inches with the same length. As you can see, this is how it look. So I'm gonna fold this small piece, then I'm gonna cut like that. So I'm gonna put on this, then I'll sew just like that. So let's come back to this part. Remember, I'm gonna fold 1/2 inch, then I'm gonna iron it. 4.5 inches, and now iron is I'm going to do the same thing here. 4.5 inch, then I'll iron it. Remember the yellow fabric that I first showed you, you have to put the facing on it. You have to put the facing. This one you have to put the facing on it. That's 2 inches. I need a middle one. I need a middle line so that to guide me to know where to put it. So I'll sew on top like that, then I will sew on top like that. You can leave like 1/4 inch before sewing, or you can sew the tip of it. It's up to you how you want it to be. So let me get on to the sewing machine, then I'll just come back. So let me get on to the sewing machine, then I'll come back. As you can see, I'm back. As you can see, to trim everything off. So I'm gonna flip everything off to the right side. If you have a screwdriver, you just have to use it, or you can use your scissors, but be very careful. Make sure you check the angle. Well, then you iron it. After that, you top stitch. You top stitch it. Top stitch on this like that. So I'm gonna fold. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share and comment and click on notification bell. It is what it is. So you can see, voila. You put on, then you put this one on it. This one is 4 inches by 5 or 6 inches. Then you put your facing on it. Then just have to top stitch it there. Let me get to the sewing machine, then I'll come back. We continue how it is. So you can see I've drawn it, and like I said, that one was 4 inches by 6 or 7 inches long. You just have to put it on this like that, then you fold it back. It's Mora FC. It is what it is. That is 2 inches, so I'm making sure I'm getting the same 2 inches. I have different style of placket. I have different style of this, different style, like 4. No, I'm gonna leave the link below. Make sure you check it out. Make sure you check it out. You know, different kind of style. How to make different style. I have like 4 or 5 different style. So you make sure you check the link below, and you learn all this kind of different style. I'm gonna keep on posting a different kind of style. You know, it is what it is. So you make sure you subscribe, like, and share, and comment, and click on notification bell. Like I said, I post videos every Sundays, and sometimes if I'm having problem with my laptop, or maybe there's a light out, then I'm gonna post it on Monday or maybe Tuesday. So that's why it's very important to click on notification bell, so that anytime I post a new video, you are updated. I'm gonna go a little bit fast off here because I've done like 5 plackets. I have done 5 of it of different style, and I've explained here details. So I think maybe you should, if you are fast, you can see what I'm doing and you can get it out. You know, it is what it is. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment, and click on notification bell. It is what it is. Like I said, I post videos every Sundays and sometimes Mondays. I have a lot of style on Placket. I'm gonna leave the link below. You make sure you check it out, see how the outcome. Beautiful. It's well explained. Nothing is hidden, nothing is hiding. You make sure you check out the defense well explained. You can see the outcome. We are almost done with this one, so you gotta put like this, then you put your bottoms on it. Make sure you don't stretch that one, don't stretch it too much. You just have to leave a little bit of free space inside, then you put your buttons inside. So check it out. I'm out. Thank you for watching.